Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw a super adorable snail using only a black pen. Yes, just a black pen. And meet our little hero Sunny the snail. Sunny is not fast, actually Sunny is so slow that even clouds overtake him. But Sunny has a big dream. He wants to become the world's cutest model model snail. So today we are going to give him the perfect shell, the cutest eyes and the biggest smile so he can finally shine. Grab your pen, relax and let's draw slowly because rushing is for cheetahs and not snails. Let's begin. And we are done guys. Look at our cute Sunny the snail. He may move slowly but he definitely slides straight into our hearts. If your snail turned out cute too, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comment, if you were a snail, what color would your shell be? Even though we use only black today. Make sure to subscribe for more fun and creative drawings. And remember, life lesson from Sunny. It does not matter how slow you are, just keep moving with a hope and love. Bye bye, take care. Bye bye.